Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can connect a dual sound speaker in your Samsung TV. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Here it is, a remote. You have to press on settings, then scroll down. You will see here it is broadcasting. Then you have to swipe right, then click on dual speaker. You have to first connect it will show up on here. Then you have to tap and click on the model number that you have selected. Set audio options for stereo or bilingual broadcast. You have to tap on it and connect it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.